Bitcoin is better gold than gold. Bitcoin is better property than physical property. Bitcoin is a better tech equity investment than any company equity. Bitcoin is the apex capital asset. And if you can't derive it from first principles, then you just look at the market indexes. And so here I'm showing you the average performance of companies in each of these indexes. So look on the far right, that's the Russell 2000. If you're a Russell 2000 company and you generate cash flow and you buy your own stock back, you're generating a 5% return statistically. You would be better off to buy the S&P index than buy your own stock back, right? If you're an S&P company and you buy the S&P index, or if you buy your own stock back, on average, you're generating a 10% return. The companies like the Mag 7, when they buy their own stock back, they're actually outperforming the S&P because they outperform the S&P. So they're capturing a 31% return. But nobody's capturing the 79% return of BTC. So if you're that Russell 2000 company, instead of buying your stock back, buy Bitcoin. Instead of 5%, you get 79%. Right? And instead of dividending out your cash flows, you bought Bitcoin. You know what you're doing when you do that? You're buying a company at 1 times revenue that's growing 79% a year. If I gave you the chance to buy a digital monopoly, a global digital monopoly growing 80% a year for 1 times revenue with the cash, would you do it? The answer is everybody would do it. Everybody would do it. There's not a single company on earth that wouldn't buy a high growth monopoly growing 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80% at 1 times revenue. Well, it's right there, right? That's the asset.